Hello, it's Peter Baker from voiceovermasterclass.com with 3 top tips about Audacity audio recording and editing software. First, have you found the spectral view yet? It's so useful, particularly for advanced editing where you've got some dodgy recordings you need to fix. It lets you see very subtle noises like breaths or hums, and it helps you remove them much more precisely. Second, for smoother voiceover recordings, do this in this order. First, apply normalize to -3 decibels, then a compressor like the vocal control preset, then normalize again, and then a limiter, gives it a haircut, -6 dB limiter, in that order. And this balances levels, boosts volume, controls peaks, gives you a polished voiceover sound that sounds fantastic. Third, you can use chains or macros to automate repetitive tasks, just like tip 2. Perfect for batch processing as well, multiple files with the same edits. Now, want to unlock the full potential of Audacity and create professional audio fast? Dive into my easy-to-follow course packed with pro tips and insider secrets only at voiceovermasterclass.com. Start transforming your recordings today.